Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to change your YouTube location and the language. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your YouTube, after which you click on your logo icon. Once you are there, you click on what? Location. After which you can simply change your country. So I'm going to change my country. I'll put Nigeria. So guys, we are just changing our YouTube location to Nigeria. So if you want to change the language, you simply click on what? Language. After which you can simply change the language of your channel. So guys, we are just changing the language of our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.